Hi, to scan QR code with the help of your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, we need to open Camera app, and here on the top of the screen, we need to select these three lines to go in the camera settings. Now, in this photo section, we need to enable QR code scanning just by tapping on the switcher so it will light up yellow. And now just return to the camera itself. Take any QR code you want to scan. I'm gonna take this piece of paper from the user manual, and it has this tiniest, smallest QR code ever. So let's scan it. For that, just point the camera at the QR code, and now you can see the link which this QR code provides. So just select with the help of which app you want to open it, and after that you will see what type of information this QR code includes. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.